Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Logstash pipelines for structured logging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Logstash pipelines for structured logging, start by installing Logstash on your system. Ensure that you have Java installed, as Logstash requires it to run. Once Logstash is installed, navigate to the configuration directory, typically found at /etc/logstash/confd. Create a new configuration file for your pipeline. You can name this file structured_logging.conf for better clarity. Open the new configuration file using a text editor of your choice. Define the input section in the configuration file. You might want to use the Beats input plugin if you are receiving logs from a FileBeat instance. Add the line input, Beats, port equals 5044, to specify the port for Logstash to listen on. Next, create the filter section to parse and structure your logs. Use the grok filter to parse unstructured logs by defining patterns. For instance, add filter, grok, match equals, message equals %, combined Apache log. Incorporate additional filters like JSON or date if your logs have specific formats. As the next step, create the output section to define where the processed logs should go. A common output is Elasticsearch, which can be defined with output, Elasticsearch, hosts equals, http://localhost. After setting up your configuration, save and close the file. Before starting Logstash, validate your configuration file using the command bin/logstash-config.test_n_exit. If there are no errors, proceed to start Logstash with the command bin/logstash-f/etc/logstash/confd/structure. Monitor the Logstash logs to ensure that it is processing input correctly. Once everything is running smoothly, you can verify the input by sending logs to your configured input source. Check your Elasticsearch instance to confirm that the logs are structured and indexed properly. Finally, adjust your configurations or add additional filters as required for your specific logging needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.